Every journey begins with a small step, and along the way, the path takes on a greater meaning. Apollo's journey began when India was already on its way to greatness. Our dreams soared high in the sky, just like the Aryabhatta. With the destination in sight, this journey offered new experiences. Bigger dreams were to be chased, and glories lay just beyond the horizon, where the blazing sun conquers the sky. The key to making dreams come true is to focus on significance, and success shall follow. The world came closer together, and new bonds were formed. The lightning struck the right chords, and success was applauded. Praises rained down as the nation's name was carved in gold. And those who dared to excel crossed the bridge to greatness. New heights were reached, records were broken, and history was made. Not only on land, but in the sky too. India had arrived. We progressed together as one, battling Herculean challenges and overcoming all odds. And even the sky is not the limit when you decide to go the distance. Happy Independence Day.